Hello, picking at Singo strawberry field. There are so many strawberry fields here. Farm of strawberry fields. Picking of strawberry fields and then you eat. We pick and then eat with milk. Very, very sweet.